going to start today with some coffee. And of course, I picked that up from Home Goods. And then I'm going to be trying this Classic Roast Market Pantry coffee pods from Target. I think it's only $3.99 for 12 pods, which is really great. And then I'm also going to try this creamer that I got from Target, and it is a almond milk creamer with real almond milk and coconut cream. And this is the dark chocolate truffle. So I'm going to try my coffee. Oh, I was going to say before he starts crying again, but looks like he's already crying. So I'm going to quickly make my coffee. Like I said, I got to go get him. I don't know if he's fussy or if he needs something. Obviously I fed him, changed his diaper, but... So I'm going to go ahead and try this creamer. This is a dark chocolate truffle. So of course he's being so fussy, so I'm going to have to hold him. He's just not having it today. But this baby boy is 1 month today. We're going to do a little photo shoot for him today. Oh, stretch. Oh, he's boiling down there. Maybe his tummy hurts. I'm going to go ahead and heat him up a bottle. Probably isn't getting enough breastfeeding, or he's just getting fussy from that. So we're gonna go ahead and give him a bottle. This is just what motherhood looks like while running a business. Hi, baby. If you haven't already guessed, today's video is a day in the life as a business owner along with being a new mama. So I am a wedding photographer along with owning a wedding decor company in Minnesota. And today I had to do a lot of admin work. I had 3 calls today. 2 were client meetings, and then 1 was a personal finance call that I had to take. In between my calls, I had to, of course, be productive and clean up the house a little bit. Vacuuming really helps with the stress for me, so I like to do that between my calls. And then right here I am hopping on to my second call of the day, and in between I was updating my contract for COVID because I haven't got to that because of course postpartum. Good. How are you?
Good.
Today has been one of those days where I am constantly doing something, and normally I can just sit down and tackle all of my emails and my phone calls, but because I'm adjusting with a newborn, I am doing a lot of breastfeeding, breast pumping in between, making sure I get the milk in the freezer on time. And I am using the Up and Up Target brand for my freezer bags, where I put in about 3 to 4 ounces. And at first I was doing about 2 to 3 ounces, and I increased that because hopefully by the time I'll be using this, he'll be increasing his ounces to about 4 to 5 ounces. And then I lay it flat in the freezer, and then I always put the newest bag towards the back, so the oldest would be used first. And you know, as a photographer, this mama's gonna take her 1 month baby photos, and of course I have to adjust because today is the shortest day of the year. It is December 21st, and exactly 1 month ago Elijah was born, so we definitely wanted to get these moments captured. And I will be inserting some images as we go, so you can take a look at some of the images that I took. And then if you would like, you can follow along on my Instagram where I post more images. So I will link both my photography and my personal Instagram down below. I know you don't want to do this. Okay. And just a huge shout out to my husband. He really helps when he comes home from work, so I can go ahead and help clean around the house or just take a moment to myself or hop back onto my email and go through a few of those because my email has been currently flooded, and with COVID it has been so crazy. I tell you guys, it has impacted us small business owners so much. And then of course after pregnancy, this mama got her energy back, so I like to kind of stay on task and make sure that I'm kind of doing dishes daily or every other day so the dishes don't pile up. I just feel like it's a lot easier only having half empty sink, and it's just so nice to start the new day with a fresh, clean sink. Do a little Bible study. So this is the Bible that I use. It is Inspire. I have some colored pens and highlighters. I have my water and my coffee, and then I have Embraced 100 Devotions to Know God is Holding You Close, and then I got this from Daily Grace, so I'm really excited to get into this one. And then my little babes is going to be here in the Upper Baby Vista, and we are just going to be jamming to Christian music and just kind of taking this moment to relax. I normally never get time to kind of sit down and do this, so I really wanted to do this tonight. And the one I'm going to be working on is going to be God I'm Worn Out, number 24, and that one is on page 72. And this is the section that I'm going to be reading, and the Bible verse says, "When I am overwhelmed, you alone know the way I should turn." So this is exactly what I've been feeling today, and I just think it's so amazing how opening a page in the book, and of course I just chose the one that just kind of spoke out to me, and it's this one that says, "God, I'm worn out." So this part really spoke out to me. It says, "I say yes to too many things. I take on too many good things, which cause me to miss my best things. It's so hard to say no and let go of opportunities that come my way. If I don't learn the gift of release, I'll wrestle with a lack of peace." And that really spoke out to me, so I really love that. So I just wanted to share that with you guys. If you guys are in a phase of stress, I highly recommend kind of picking up this book and reading through it. It just is speaking to me, so I just wanted to share that with you guys. So when I finish, this is what I like to do. I like to kind of doodle in here. So this is what I currently did. It says, "The heavens proclaim the glory of God. The skies display his craftsmanship." And I love these highlighters. And the awesome part is it has like erasers on this side. Erase anything. Let's say I'm gonna erase right here. So I have to go ahead and just go like that, and it erases it. So it's such a game changer. I can probably get in there a little bit better and erase it better, but you get the point. You over highlight something, go in there and just erase it. So I will have these highlighters linked down below, and then also check out my Instagram. I might be including them in my Little Faith giveaway that I'm going to be doing shortly, so follow my Instagram for more details. So I'm going to hop back on my laptop. I'm going to find a podcast to listen to, or sometimes I'll just put music on. Just trying to find something that speaks to me a little bit. Looks like right now I'm middle. Okay, so I'm just going to go ahead and listen to this one, and then I'm going to go ahead and edit. So what I do is I go ahead and import the images into Lightroom and select the ones that I want to edit. And then here is my little sped up editing process. I don't want to obviously make the video way too long. I just go ahead and crop, adjust the lighting, and add my preset, and then I apply that throughout. And then what I do is I go ahead and take all of my imported edited images and I simply just airdrop them to my phone so I can go ahead and post them onto my Instagram. This process is so quick and I love it, so I go ahead and select the images I want to post on Instagram. And of course the hardest part is thinking of a caption, but my caption is basically saying how fast Elijah is growing and I can't believe that it's already 1 month. Go ahead and follow my Instagram if you aren't already. Here is my Instagram. It is at Natasha Fernui. And then if you want to go ahead and follow my photography account as well, that is at Natasha Fernui Photography. So he's still sleeping, so I'm going to go ahead and quietly, oh, he's smiling, he knows I'm talking about him. I'm going to put him over here and then make myself some popcorn. And here is my fresh microwave popcorn, my little obsession here. I'm gonna head upstairs and watch some Netflix. So after I am done taking a little break, relaxing and watching some Netflix and eating some popcorn, what I do is I go ahead and import all of my videos to be edited. I throw them into iMovie. And I am currently using iMovie. For some reason when I updated my laptop, my Final Pro Cut was no longer supported, so I have to check that out. But for now I will just go ahead and edit on my iMovie. So this takes a long process to edit because sometimes I have to do voiceovers, which I am currently doing right now. But that is all for today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Be sure to subscribe and stay tuned for more.